Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to set up a professional WhatsApp business profile. So just open your WhatsApp business app and then click on this icon, tools, and here scroll down and look for profile. Now select it. Here you can set up your profile as there's your business name, as I have entered here artist. Click on OK, continue, and then business category. Here you can select your business category, as just look for it, and I have entered arts and entertainment. Now click on save, and then here you can add your address. You can add any website, you can add any email or a description, and then go back, and here you can set your analog. Here you can create any ad and then post it. So guys, we have successfully set up our WhatsApp professional business account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.